Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? I hope you're feeling above average today. I'm sure you are. Right, I did a vlog of a week on my new Motovlog setup. I've bought a new camera, which is a Dji Osmo Action 3. So I got it all set up on my helmet, just like I did my old GoPro. Went out for a ride, did a vlog on my KTM Duke 390, which went really well. I thought it was going to be a really good vlog. Got home, and to my frustration, the sound quality was absolute crap. Honestly, it was horrendous. I've never heard anything like it. So I've done a bit of research. I've spoke to a couple of YouTubers that are using Dji Osmo Actions, and they give me a little bit of advice. I've also put in a little bit of something myself just to try and get the quality better. So I'm just going to show you what I've done. Right, so to start off, you do not want this Movo, or whatever they call it, extension cable. That does not convert anything. It does not do the job. It picks up the sound, but the quality is crap. So we're no longer using this, so don't buy it. Revert back to my other video and do not buy this. It's crap, okay? Right, so instead, what you do need to do after you've purchased your Dji Action Osmo 3 or 4, and you're using a mic, an external microphone for motovlogging, my advice would be to pay the extra and order this from DJI. It's a mic extension. If you remember, the GoPro did a mic extension as well the Osmo do one. Obviously it's a lot smaller. Look, that's in my fingertips, really small, and basically all this does is plug into the side of the camera like so. It's got little hinges on. You have to remove your door. It's got little hinges on where your door clips on. It's got hinges on the extension, and that clips onto the camera as well, so it's nice and secure. I've heard this does provide a lot better sound quality, which it's going to do. It's from the only downside to it is you can't use your cage for some reason. It won't clip in with the cage on. So if you're wanting to do any like TikTok videos or anything like that, vertical ones, you can't do that with the external mic. I'm sure there's a way around it. So moving on to the helmet, it's a Shark helmet what I use. And basically what I've done is I've taped the vent up with installation tape. I've put a couple of layers on the vents, so that's not going to let any air in, even when they're closed. Well, it's going to be closed all the time now. So there's no air, no wind noise, no air getting through into the helmet, which should make it a better seal. I've also done the top one. I'm not sure whether it really matters with the top one, because imagine it's like an exhaust, isn't it? The air passes through and goes to the back of your head. But still, all the same, I want good sound quality for you guys, so I've taped that up as well. I forgot to mention as well, guys, there's something else you need to do. This microphone icon will come on once it's all plugged in. You've got a mic plugged in. If you just tap these dots here, you see the microphone there. Just tap on the microphone, and what you need to do, you need to tap on gain and turn it right down to 12, minus 12 decibels. It goes right up to plus 20. You want that turning right down to minus 12 decibels, okay? And one other thing, the positioning of the lav mic is tucked up right into the cheek pad, away from the wind, so it's tucked up inside the cheek pad. So these are press studded in. I've pulled them out, tucked the mic right up. It's around about here, and it's about 2 inch down into the helmet. So that's where I had it when I had my GoPro. So I'm just hoping that works. And the microphone, I'm using a Purple Panda lavalier mic. In my opinion, they are one of the best microphones you can get for the money. You get 30 quid, you'll get 2 of them and all the extensions that you need. Because they have got a TRRS, which has got 3 rings, and you get a conversion cable, which turns it into a TRRS, which you need for your helmet, for your motovlog setup. Right, and what I've done with that, I've got a dead cat on the end. I don't want to have to get rid of the Osmo and go back to GoPros. GoPro sound quality are absolutely amazing, honestly. I absolutely love the GoPro Hero 8. It's Black Edition. It's done me over the past 2 years, and it's been a phenomenal camera, and it does actually work. It just needs some new batteries, but moving forward, the battery life on the Dji Osmo Action 3 is about an hour and a half. So obviously that's why I've gone to this camera. I just want to get the sound quality good. But if I can't get it any good, you can't actually use a wireless microphone on this camera because they don't work on it. So it's got to be a lav mic. So we'll see how it goes anyway. So what I'm going to do, I've got it all set up. It's ready. I need to get out and shoot a video. So I'll do a separate video. And I'll post it as quick as I can. Until now, I'll put this on. So don't quote me on it. Don't do any of this until I get back and show and tell you whether it's worked or not. Okay. So I'd like to wish everybody the best. Please subscribe, like, tickle that bell icon, and share the video. That'd be absolutely fantastic. So this is me, Smiles Per Gallon. For now, bye bye.